Elnido Palawan promo. 3 days and 2 nights domestic land arrangement to package, hotel, plus breakfast, plus round-trip transfers, plus tour, for as low as $3,199 per pax. Inquire now at RC Adventure Travel and Tour. Inclusions: hotel accommodation, daily breakfast at selected hotels, round-trip airport transfers, hotel taxes, and fees. For booking inquiries, call us at 0927458608 or drop us an email. Check our Facebook page, RC Adventure Travel and Tours, or follow us on Instagram at RC Adventure Travel Tours. We look forward to serving you better for your future trip.